Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to give everyone access to a Google Sheets file. This is useful when you want anyone with the link to be able to view, comment on, or edit your spreadsheet. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the address bar, type sheets.google.com and press Enter. Next, open the Google Sheets file that you want to share. Once your spreadsheet is open, click the Share button in the top right corner of the screen. The Share window will appear. Under General Access, click the drop-down menu that may say Restricted. From the list of options, select Anyone with the link. Next, choose the level of access you want to give. You can select Viewer if you only want people to view the spreadsheet, Commenter if you want them to leave comments, or Editor if you want them to make changes. After selecting the appropriate permission, click Copy Link if you want to share the spreadsheet with others. Then click Done to save your changes. Anyone who has the link will now be able to access your Google Sheets file based on the permission level you selected. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to give everyone access to a Google Sheets file. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tips, productivity tutorials, and helpful guides. See you in the next video.